Hope you are doing well, and in this tutorial we will learn about the extrude boss base and its start conditions. What is extrude boss base? We use the extrude boss or base in order to give the thickness to our model or a part, or it is used to extend a sketched profile in one or two directions as either a thin feature or as a solid feature. Now we will do this on our sketch so that we can learn it. I'm selecting the top plane and make it normal. From sketch I'm selecting the center rectangle, and here I will give dimensions to this as this one is 60, this one is also 60. You can change the dimensions according to your required. From features I'm selecting the extrude boss or base, and here you can see that the blue box, it is showing the preview of our model. We can change the dimensions from here. I'm selecting 40. From here you can also give the other directions to it, like direction 2, that is will be in the reverse direction, and here I'm selecting 40. Okay, now it depends on you, either you want two directions or one directions. I'm selecting OK from here. This is our solid body, and now we will learn about the thin feature in SolidWorks. I'm deleting this. Again edit the sketch, and from here select extrude boss base from features, and here I have given dimensions to this as 40, and from here select the thin feature. Now you can see that the thin feature preview. Here you can see that it is going outward. You can also reverse its directions, that it will be in the reverse direction in the inside, like this. Here this dimension of thickness is 10. I'm selecting 5 from here, press OK and select OK. Now this is our thin featured extrude boss base model. Now we will learn about the start conditions in extrude boss base. For this I'm selecting the front plane and make it normal. From sketch I'm selecting the line and draw a sketch here like this, and from here select smart dimensions and select this dimension as 60 mm and this one as 20, this dimension as 100, and from here select this line, select this midpoint and select this midpoint, press Ctrl button from the keyboard and make a relation vertical here. Now this midpoint and this origin point are in the vertical direction. Press OK. Now from features select extrude boss base. Now you can see that the start condition from here is sketch plane. This is the sketch plane, and from here I'm making it mid plane, and I'm giving dimensions to this as 40 from the mid plane. Now you can see that. Press OK from here, and from here I will give appearance to this as green. Press OK. Now select the top plane and make it normal. Select the center rectangle from here and select this origin point and draw a center rectangle here. Give dimensions to this as this one is 40 mm and this one is 90 mm. I'm changing this as 30 mm. Press OK so that we can visualize our sketch easily. Now press OK. From here, this is our sketch. Now just edit this sketch, and from features select extrude boss or base, and from here we will learn about the start conditions of the extrude boss or base, that are 4. And from here you can either select merge results, so that these two bodies will be merged to each other and show as one body. And from here you can select direction 2 or thin feature, that we have already learned. And from here, by default sketch plane is selected, and I am selecting this and give dimensions to this as 30, and unselect this merge results and press OK. And from here I am giving appearance to this body as yellow. Press OK. Now this is our first condition. Just edit this feature, and from here scroll down and select the second start conditions, that is surface, face or plane. Select this and select the surface. Like I'm selecting this surface, then this extrude will start from this surface and follow this sketch, and its thickness will be 30. Here, from here you can change your thickness, and I'm clearing this face and selecting this surface. Now this sketch is following this surface, and press OK. You can see the results from here. It is starting from here, and its thickness is 30 mm. From here edit this feature. Now we will learn about the third start condition, that is the vertex. And from here I'm selecting the vertex, this one. Now it will follow this vertex, and starting from this point I'm clearing this selection, and I am starting this vertex. Now it will follow this vertex, and you can also change the direction from here and press OK, like this. And now just edit this feature. We will clear these selections, and we will learn about the last features, that is the offset. And from here I'm reversing this direction, and here it is asking give the dimension of offset value. I'm selecting 5 from here. Now you can see that this extrude has been offset from this sketch about 5 mm. You can also reverse this direction like this, and it has been offset from this surface in the reverse direction, and starting from here, that is 5 mm. Press OK. Now edit this sketch, and you can also change its thickness value from here like 50, and also change the offset value from here, that is 20, like this, and press OK. So this was all about the start conditions of extrude boss base.